So you're a data analyst or you make use of Excel in your organization and you've been tasked by your employer to be able to create unique employee IDs for every member of staff in your company and you're worried because you don't know how to do that using Excel. But not to worry, in this video, I'll be showing you practical steps on how to create that within a minute. Now let's get into the video.
This lesson, I'll be showing you on how to actually create an employee ID in less than 5 seconds. Now, this is how you do it. Now, let's say, for example, I actually just want to make use of the first two letters of each of the names, and I would want to just add maybe 100 or 1002. And imagine if I've got thousands of rows down here. This is how you do it. I'm going to be making use of two different functions. The first one is going to be the concatenate. So I'm just going to open up my concatenate function, and then the second function I'm also going to use is the left because I want to pick the first two letters. So I'm going to use the left function and pick that up, and I'm going to then select the cell that I want to act relative reference. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to select 2, meaning I want you to take the first two letters from the left, which is PA, and then I'm going to do that, and I'm going to close the brackets, and the next thing I'm going to do is to add the ID number, the number I want you to go with the string, and I'm going to close this, and voila, that is it. So it's created an employee ID for Paul Pollard. Now, if I want to do it for the rest of the employees, I don't need to do the same formula. All I need to just drag down or you double click, and you've got everything all sorted.
I hope you found this video very helpful, and I also hope you were able to learn one or two from this. Now, I do ask that you please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me and also ensure that a lot of persons who could benefit from this could actually get to see this video as well. You can also take an extra mile to be able to drop a comment on the comment box to tell me that you've subscribed, and I'll do well to reply to you. Also, if you've got any topic you'd like me to treat or talk about, do well to also drop that in the comment section, and I'll do well to create a video content for you to address that as well. Now, with that being said, I'll see you in my next video, and goodbye.